Check out our weather and traffic.
We're going to begin with First Alert meteorologist Darren Peck and that gorgeous sunrise we have for this Monday morning, Darren.
Yeah, it is that time of day. The sun's officially still not coming up for about another 25-30 minutes, but that means you get the prettiest color in the sky right now, and the best place to view it from is our view from the top of the Salesforce Tower, looking off towards the south. Besides the real pretty colors out here, a couple of other things stand out. You can see there is just a little bit of cloudiness, just a patchiness of stratus cloud hanging out over the South Bay and the East Bay. But that's it, and that's typical. And it's not like we've got any fog on the road. We just kind of have that classic little stratus cloud. So since we just saw how pretty it is out there, we're still waiting for the sun to come up. It's going to happen at 6:32, so pretty much getting right there. And when it happens, we're going to see the Golden Gate Bridge light up in those gorgeous colors. That's the view from the top of the Mark Hopkins Hotel. And you know you've got a clear morning when you're not even looking at any issues there on the bridge. It's smooth sailing coming across the Golden Gate. So with clear skies like this, we tend to get colder. And that's certainly the case this morning. It's down into the mid-30s for many of those sheltered North Bay valleys. But in the inland East Bay, it's pretty much just as cold, mid-30s over there as well, and low 40s in the heart of the bay. Everybody should grab the jacket, but it's noticeably colder in the inland valleys. But for daytime highs today, this is pretty good. We're going back to the mid to upper 60s. In other words, right where we were yesterday. We will have a few low 70s as well, too, for some of our warmer inland spots, but most places will have to settle for mid to upper 60s. We come back into the heart of the bay, and you'll see temperatures here struggling to get up into the mid 60s right on the water, but everybody else is upper 60s and low 70s showing up once we get up into the valleys of Sonoma, Napa, and Mendocino. If we look out into the Pacific just to see where the storm track is, everything's going up and over the long way. As we get into early this week, there will be one little system here that tries to come in. We're going to watch that again. And this is going all the way ahead now to Tuesday. And look what shows up. A little bit of rain here coming our way and then falls apart before it gets down here. So obviously no rain in our forecast from that. But you will see as we go through the 7-day forecast, temperatures are going to dip a bit on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday from that system, which just doesn't quite get here, but it does deliver some slightly cooler air. See that play out for San Jose. We'll be 72 on Tuesday, but by Wednesday and Thursday, we're back down into the mid-60s. Doubt you'll really notice a whole lot. In other words, no significant changes showing up here. I'll have another look at this coming up in a bit. Let's get over to Gianna now and check in on the drive.